name is Officer Pescetti. I've been on the force for a little over 5 years now. I've been in Gloversville my entire career. I wanted to become a police officer since college. I took criminal justice courses in college and kind of wanted to pursue a career in criminal justice. And I thought that being a police officer was probably one of the better positions to take based off of my education there. So then I took the police exam and I got hired in Gloversville. So I have a different mentality. I'm actually the school resource officer for Gloversville School District. So my department assigned me to work in the schools full time. So I have a little bit of a different, mentality coming in. My big thing is interacting with the kids, building positive relationships with the kids in our community. So I come in with a mindset of, how am I gonna, connect with these kids today? What type of situations am I gonna run into with, maybe a kid got into something at home the night before. How am I gonna, help them get through their day, make them feel good about themselves. So that's kind of the mindset that I have going into every day. This one right now, I'm gonna go check. I'm gonna do a welfare check on an 18-year-old female, again, who's, collecting services, through social services. They haven't been able to get in contact with her for a little bit, so they wanted somebody to check on her, so I'm gonna go check on her, make sure she's okay. I actually know her from when she went to school, so I have a pretty decent relationship with her. So. So she's 18. I've known from when I worked at the school. She was a student. She got her own apartment. She goes through Catholic Charities to help her, with assistance for the apartment. They haven't been able to get in contact with her, and then when they came to check on her, they noticed there was damage done to her door, so they wanted to make sure she was okay and safe. Everything is good with. Like I said, I have a good relationship with her. We got talking about, school and how she's gonna hopefully try and finish it up. So, she used to always come into my office and kind of talk about, stuff going on in her life, and it's just part of building relationships with the community like I talked about earlier. That's one of the examples right there. I think we're doing a good job to kind of combat the issues that we have in Gloversville. I think a big thing that would help the city is kind of the relationship between the community and the police department, which is a big thing that I'll always, push is the better relationships we build with the community, the better results we're going to get in the community. People are going to be more willing to help us, with certain cases. They're gonna want to help. Whereas, some place where they don't necessarily have a good relationship with their police department might not want to help them out as much, and they might just kind of think they're a lost cause because they're not getting that type of relationship built that we at Gloversville want to build with the community. I'm out of right now. Do you have an apartment number?
One wasn't provided by the caller. Stand by, I'll check and see if there's one.
Receive, thank you.
What's going on?
They just want us to check this kid's welfare. Hi, how's it going?
Hi.
I'm looking for right here. Hey, you mind if I just gotta talk to him? He's not in trouble or anything. Thank you. Hey,
Hey.
how's it going?
Good.
Yo, we just got a call. Somebody wanted us to come check on you, make sure you are okay. How is everything?
Good.
You good? You having no issues?
Nope.
All right. How's your day been so far?
Good.
Good? What are you doing? Anything fun?
Listen to music.
Hey, what kind of music you listening to?
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll? What do you got? Like Led Zeppelin going in there or what?
I just listening
Yeah.
a
All
few
right.
times.
Nice. All right. Well, you enjoy your music, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care. So, we were called to check the welfare of an 18-year-old with mental disabilities. He receives services through some sort of, social services. Every now and then, if they're not able to make contact with an individual or, think something's going on in the home, they'll call us to do a welfare check. This particular incident was fine. He was well. He was listening to music. So I got to talk to him about what type of music he was listening to for a little bit. Made him smile, and then he went about his day. I wouldn't say specific, a specific time. Maybe for a couple minutes out of a day when you're having a real busy day, you kind of think to yourself, like, what did I get myself into almost? You kind of question yourself about that, but then you can really set yourself back into reality, like think of your big term picture, like, okay, I've had a bad couple of minutes here, I've had a bad day with a lot of calls here, but look at all the good I've done, yesterday. What am I going to do tomorrow? I can make somebody's day tomorrow. I can make somebody's day in a couple hours. So you kind of recheck yourself into the to staying positive, and remind yourself why you became a police officer in the first place. If I could ask the community for a favor, it would be, just keep believing in us. Every place is going to go through rough patches, but we are here to help you. Please trust us. We want to help. Never be afraid to call us. If there's ever something that you see, please report it, because it'll help us, make this community a safer and a better place.